Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to create about the factor divided by x plus 5. So I will put about number 10. Later that we need to minus about number 10. This one you got about negative number 7. This one we can do about factorization by number 2. This one divide by this one, so we have number 2 in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of the constant, you got about s, so we have 2s. The integration of 7 over s plus 5, we have 7 ln of the absolute value of s plus 5. And we put the bounds from negative number 3 to negative number 1. And now we have the final answer. So number 2 multiplied by negative number 1 minus number 2 multiplied by negative number 3, you got about 4. Minus 7 ln number 4 plus 7 ln number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.